And katulad lang po, like how you guys to us, nag-English. Kagaya po kung paano lang po kayo sa amin, every time that it's hard or you feel down, sa inyo lang po kami kumukuha ng lakas. Kaya maraming salamat po. Thank you all so much.
저희가 요즘 최고의 1등으로 만들어주신 거죠?
So, everyone, you'll make us the universe's number one, right?
약속, promise.
Thank you. Thank you for all.
그리고 여러분들의 열심히 노래하셨다고 했습니다.
So, and while we were performing Blue School Green Gas and Red Sneakers, I could really feel your fan chant and cheers.
네, 앞으로 활동도 이렇게 열심히 해주시면 고맙습니다.
Kahit mahirap ang dami nyo ang effort, thank you very much.
Sabi niya, na-notice na ni Daisuke. Sabi niya, green, blue, yung yung colors.
I saw that thank you so much. I see blue, red, and green. During the stage, I was like, oh. In our head, there's a tired because it sounds like Tagalog. So they're waiting for it, and then every time I do that part, I sign the Tagalog lyrics to the Tagalog. So for this stage, for our next stage, everyone, this one I think you will really love this next stage, guys. Okay, first hint. Only on this FanCon, we will perform this song. Yeah! 오늘 FanCon Wow, that's a new song. Then, a teaser? Do you guys want to hear the hint? Yes.
Actually, ang second hint, hindi kanta na ang ahon.
그리고 세 번째 팀은 이들의 대단한 거 제이라는
Nasa pangatlong hint naman, habang pinaghahanda namin ito, sobrang tinulungan kami ni JL.
네 번째 힌트. 이 노래를 듣자마자 아마 모두가 같이 따라 부를 수 있습니다.
Ang fourth hint, pag narinig niyo po ito, mapapasing along talaga lahat.
어떤 무대인지 궁금하시죠?
Curious ba kayo kung anong stage ito?
그럼 가볼까요?
Let's go!